It's all interconnected. The rainforests create the nutrients on the ground, which gets washed away by the rain to the rivers, and it flows out to the sea, and it feeds the coral, and the coral creates the gases which go back in and feed the forests and land. So you get this incredible cycle of all these things kind of connected together. It's a hard one, that, to talk about inspiration and how ideas are developed, because what you're trying to do is absorb, suckle all this in, this amazing texture, life, pattern, colour, subliminally absorbed into your body. And that becomes the kind of energy from which ideas work out of. And then you stop for a moment and draw something, and it forces you to focus on just that one little bit. Waka waka. I've never seen tower like this in this density before. I love the texture of all those black branches, and the tiny little leaves, and the patterns of the shadows and lights through there. It's quite unique. It's like a holy light, isn't it? It's like a searchlight from God coming down into the forest. Incredible. It's the same sort of thing. I mean, you can walk through this space and you home in on some little detail, and it attracts your attention. You look at it. The light's doing the same thing. It's just honing you in on this little one section of the forest and saying, look at this. What I'm trying to do is recreate the experience and the essence and the vibrancy and the life that's happening here. I mean, this is what we do with the lights. This is nature doing it 10 times better. Shadow patterns that sort of on the surface that move and ripple. We're just trying to create a magic from light. And the best way to do it is shadow patterns. What I'm trying to do with the lights and the patterns they create is bring back this beautiful feeling you get from this. This was around us for millions of years, and it's embedded in our genes. Instinctively, we feel at home amongst this. I'm just adding a human element to it. It's a different element that we can connect through because that's human, and then I'm the link between the human and the nature.